Hello students, in this video we will see synthetic fiber. That what is this synthetic fiber? We have already come to know the meaning of synthetic material. Synthetic material means man-made material. Now, synthetic fiber means man-made fiber or artificial fiber. Fiber means like yarn. Okay. So, you know that we spin thread or yarns out of the natural fiber thread like things present in the cotton, silk and wool. जो भी हम धागा बनाते हैं वो हम कैसे बनाते हैं, उसी को धागे को ही फाइबर बोलते हैं. सो वी आर मेकिंग दिस फाइबर with the help of cotton, silk and wool. ओके, सो दिस वन इज़ द नेचुरल फाइबर. इससे हम नेचुरल फाइबर बना सकते हैं. लाइक कॉटन से कॉटन का धागा बनाएंगे, सिल्क से सिल्क का धागा बनाएंगे, वूल से वूल का धागा बनाएंगे. So these wool fiber, silk fiber and cotton fiber we are getting. We also make yarn out of the synthetic material like nylon and acrylic and the polyesters are the man-made or you can say synthetic fibers. Okay, the molecules are joined up to make the synthetic fibers come from the nature. They many come from the coal, petroleum, natural gas, cotton. So synthetic fiber is made from the coal, petroleum, natural gas or cotton. But when these molecules are joined up, they produce fibers with properties that are very different from those of natural fiber. So by using this coal, petroleum, natural gas or cotton, we can make synthetic fiber. And the synthetic fibers are having different properties, totally different from the नेचुरल फाइबर्स. लाइक कॉटन जो है जल्दी भीग जाता है, बट दीज सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स आर नॉट वेट वेरी सून. सिल्क जो है जल्दी ख़राब हो जाता है, जल्दी उसमें कीड़े लगते हैं. सो इन द सिंथेटिक फाइबर द स्पॉइलेज प्रॉब्लम इज़ नॉट देयर. दिस वूल इज़ गिविंग टू मच hotness and in this we are not getting that much. We can make according to ourselves, either too much hot or too much cold. Now the question arises, how this synthetic yarn made? You also wish to know how this synthetic material or synthetic yarn is made. We have already seen in pictures or in some ads that how we are, and in previous class also, that how the human being is making yarn from the using cotton. Okay, and if you have seen that Mahatma Gandhi picture, that he was using the instrument charkha to make the yarn from the cotton. So that is natural fiber. चरखा यूज़ करके जो फाइबर बनाया जाता था, दैट इज़ नेचुरल फाइबर दैट दे आर मेकिंग फ्रॉम द cotton. Now here is synthetic yarn. For synthetic yarn we need to collect some natural material so that we can convert that into synthetic yarn. Now the synthetic material is dissolved or melted to form a thicky paste liquid. This pasty liquid is then forced out the holes in a metal disc. The long thin fibers then come out. The holes are drawn together and cooled to form the yarn. As you can see, this is the instrument setup. All arrangements are done at a very big level in the factories. In this, what is there? The liquid synthetic material we have kept here in a vessel, and here very small holes we have done. Small holes we have done. Through these holes, the liquid material will come out. The liquid material will come out, and we will collect all the liquid material like in the form of yarn, and we will collect all this yarn and we will let them cool. Here water is there, very cold water is there. Here it will cool and it will convert into synthetic yarn, and here we will collect this into roll. Now this is synthetic yarn. I hope you understood that how this synthetic yarn is made. Now you see, following are the some things which are made from the synthetic material. For example, this socks, this paintbrush, this toothbrush, this paintbrush, this rope, and this is kind of lace, and this is plastic one. So these all kinds of are the result of synthetic fibers. Okay, now we will see what are the uses of this synthetic fiber. So obviously where we are using the things made from this synthetic material, that in that place the use of synthetic fibers is there. So synthetic fibers are used to make fabric cloth, socks, sweaters, blanket, carpets, mosquitoes net, artificial silk, lace, ropes, brushes, parachutes, bags, even the threads surgeons use to stitch up the wound. वो वाले थ्रेड्स जिससे कि सर्जन्स जो है सर्जरी करके अपना स्किन को स्टिच करते हैं, दैट थ्रेड इज ऑल्सो सिंथेटिक फाइबर मेड फ्रॉम द सिंथेटिक फाइबर. सो दीज ऑल आर द यूजेस ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स. इन दिस मेनी प्लेस द सिंथेटिक फाइबर इज यूज. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, आर सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स गुड और बैड? So what do you think? It is good or bad? So let us see, is it good or bad? Synthetic fibers have some qualities that make them very better than the natural fiber. They are also worse than natural fibers in some way. That is why clothes are not often made of mixed fibers these days. Mixed fibers are combination of synthetic and natural fibers. Okay, synthetic fibers have some qualities, but it is also have bad side, and so that's why in between, by mixing these two things, synthetic fiber and natural fibers, the industries used to make the cloth. इंडस्ट्रीज़ ने क्लॉथ बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया था जिसमें सिंथेटिक पार्ट मिक्स किया गया और मैन मेड पार्ट, नेचुरल पार्ट भी मिक्स किया गया. So this is not working out because this is damaging the cloth. So they stopped making like this cloth and used to make separately, means totally natural or totally synthetic fiber. So in this video only this much. In next video we will see the good side of synthetic fiber and the bad side of synthetic fiber. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.